Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to organize your work with Notion. In order to do that, you need to head over and then create a Notion with the project planner. So you can see in here that I have in here a private part or wherein it's actually a project planner. So in this, you can see that it's on a table wherein you can see in here the status, the project, the deadline as well. You can also add another formats that they have, like for example, a new view that can actually serve as a board, timeline, gallery, and a lot more. So as you can see right now, this is what it looks like. It has this not sorted, in progress, and done. So you can click on this new right here in order to add a new card. So for example, let's put in here, feed the cats. And then you can actually just click on that, and then if you're on the progress of feeding the cat, you can add them right here. You can drag them right here, and when you're done, you can put that right here. You can also click on this new option right here in order to create a new option or a new card in here as well if you don't want to use the new option right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try our best to answer. Thanks.